Mr. Speaker, for inviting me to present my motion. That is, all IIM students should be allowed to bring either motorcycle or bicycle only in order to solve the problem of not having enough parking space in IIM campus. Okay, first of all, there are many benefits that we can get from it. First, it can help to reduce the students' spend for petrol. Next, it can provide more space for parking because we only allow to bring bicycle and motorcycle only. Next, it can reduce the congestion in IIM. And last but not least, students will be motivated to go to the class because easy to ride. They also can go to the class with their beloved friends. That's all.
Mr. Speaker, can I speak up? Thank you. SRC, actually I like your statement, but let us introduce the facts. According to insurance, depending on my reading, according to Insurance Information Institute, motorcycles are more crashworthy and than closed vehicles. They are less visible to other drivers and pedestrians. Moreover, they require different combination of physical and mental skills than those for four-wheel vehicles. Also, in 2016, 5,286 people died in motorcycle crashes, according to National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. And for the cycling, according to the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents, in 2016, 18,477 cyclers were injured and 3,499 were killed or seriously injured. On the other hand, when talking about the area occupied by the motorcycles and bicycles, it's quite obvious that motorcycles and bicycles requires less area than the cars. Okay, and this is obvious because of their size. And my last point regarding pollution. Okay, for the bicycles, using bicycles instead of cars reduce pollution by excluding the car smoke. It's quite obvious. On the other hand, motorcycles emit 16 times more hydrocarbons and 3 times more carbon monoxide than the cars, according to the American Chemical Society, because they use two-stroke oil, which is also known as 2T oil. Thank you. Mr. Speaker, can I leave this? Thank you.
Thank you, Speaker. I agree with these motions because students feel happy due to no more issue of the courage around AUM. The students who have lost the car will feel sad. Parents will have worry and afraid of their children's safety. Staff and lecturer feel confused because they have more banking space.
Sorry, Mr. Speaker, can I speak? SRC, I beg to differ from your motion because I think that riding motorcycles and bicycles requires more skills rather than driving cars. This is because, as we know that riding motorcycles and and riding bicycles need more skills to ride it. So the student should have to take license and go to the riding class. Other than that, recently we know that we're having the cases of the stolen bicycles and motorcycles. So by this motion, it will increase the cases of the motorcycle being stolen. So this is because, like stated by student just now, motorcycle is more visible and it is easy to be stolen. So the third thing is, in some situation, riders tend to use the pedestrian as a shortcut, and this will affect all the pedestrian and also their safety. And also, the rider tend to ride the motorcycle in block when it's raining, so it may harm other students while walking. And in some situation, it will harm their safety. Yeah.
Thank you, Mrs. Speaker. I would like to thank to everyone for lending your opinion, and let me explain further on implementing this motion. Okay, first, put motorcycle skills in university required course. In this university, the university has provided a lot and many kind of skills that the university's administration think important for the students. Therefore, by looking at the importance of this skill, I propose to have motorcycle skills to be included in university required course. For example, like swimming class, they provide license and certificate to the students. In here, the motorcycle skills class also can provide license. Collaboration with JPJ, the student don't need to take other class and spend more money to pay for the license. The second thing is to have a new traffic operating system. This means to restructure the rules and the facilities. Firstly, we can put the camera up around the spot area along IM road. Sorry, my mistake. Next is to have a specific road for motorcycle and bicycle only to ensure the safety of the pedestrian. How we can put some the small pillar at the pedestrian, so that the motorcycle will not pass the pedestrian walk. Lastly, is to review the rules and increase the fine for increase the fine for any disobeying traffic rules.
Looking at the implication, which side has more disadvantages and which side has more advantages. All in all, I can see that the motion has more implication, more advantages for us, the community of IIUM, because if we allow the students to only bring motorcycle and bicycle and not car in IIUM, we can provide most parking space for the community of IIUM. That means we can provide more space, and also we can avoid or clean up the air pollution in IIUM campus. And even though there is bad implication provided by the MRC, the problem has been solved by the idea of implementation by SRC delegate, which have the idea of to implement a new skills in university required course, and also to have a new system as called as traffic operating system. But it is most important for us to first look at the implication of both sides of the opinions, which one will give more advantage and disadvantages. due to the based on the consideration and also opinions, I can see that the implication is more towards the advantage of this motion, which is if we allow the students only to bring motorcycle and bicycle